Hey guys, it's Dwight. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good end to the week and a good start to the weekend. So I figured I'd do a dump and swirl today. I'm reusing an old canvas, so I'm doing a 24 by 36 canvas. And I'm going to be using paints today that I haven't used in quite some time. I've been using a lot of the Deco Art brand paints, but I figured let's go ahead and try some of the Liquitex heavy body paints. So I've got 4 colors I'm using. One of them is going to be Arteza, and it's ultramarine blue. It's this one here. But I'm also using this one here, and that is light blue permanent, and that's Liquitex hard body paints. And then I have brilliant blue. And finally, I have muted turquoise. It's a nice deep blue-green. I'm gonna be using that in my pour today. So the purpose of this pour is a test palette. I'm gonna do another pour this weekend. I'm probably gonna brighten it up a little bit with maybe some gold or some copper, so we'll see how that goes. So hold on guys, let me mix my paints and get to the studio, and we'll get started in just a second. guys, here I am back with the wet results. I think the paints have pretty much stopped moving, and this is what we have. So I really like this. I like the cloudiness through here. I just think that's a neat effect. It's not so like perfect, if that makes sense. That was the dark muted turquoise that I used. So I'm really curious to see how it dries and if it lightens up a little bit more. You see a little bit of the purple down here through here, but the light blue and that beautiful brilliant blue took over really great. So I like this orientation. As you can tell, you can see the movement. I mean, the movement in a way is pretty symmetrical, and it sort of, pulls you in. So you have this, going around this way, coming in, and the negative space is also has a nice symmetry to it that sort of matches the way the paint fell on the canvas. So I'm going to go in and touch things up a little bit, like right through here, just to highlight them, to make them pop. A little bit around through here, and up just around the edges. But let me move in and show you some of the details. They're really pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Sorry about the glare. It's a cloudy day today, so it's hard for me to get the right lighting. See, there's the dark blue, the muted turquoise right there, and I really think it looks really cool. This camera makes it look much more washed out than it does in person. Let me walk up to the other end. Ooh, I almost fell over. I love this end. I love the blue. Look at this blue. It's just so brilliant. Well, it's called brilliant blue. Go figure, huh? Yeah. Like the edges, they're pretty dry down here. I think this corner is kind of interesting, isn't that? Look at that. Yeah. So I'm happy with this. I think I mentioned in my prologue that I'm testing these colors to see how they work in a dump and swirl, and thankfully it worked. I will add some gold or copper, or maybe both, we'll just see how it goes, see how I feel in the morning. I'm probably gonna do this in the morning. Now I'm setting this one up as a pop-up premiere because, I've got the afternoon free and I like to sit down with a glass of wine and talk to you guys. But also, at the end of this video, I added some outtakes of my prologue. So stick around when we're done at this section right here, and you'll see the wackiness that is me. Okay, guys, take care. We'll talk to you soon, and watch out for another video coming out this weekend. Hey guys, welcome back to my doo-doo head. Hey, don't look at the screen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dwight with Dwight Pours. It's Friday, so Friday means pour day. So I'm going to do a dump and swirl on a 24 by 36 canvas. And I'm going to be using paints I haven't used in quite some time. And majority of the paints I'm going to be using are going to be Liquitex. Was I watching myself scratch myself?